This is the Thomas and Friends video option ride by Jolly Roger. Let's see this go on in track mode. Come on Thomas, you've got to have it in track mode. We go to the front of it while I'm waiting.
Fantastic.
I'm waiting for the track mode. Look at his cute face.
He's got a very cute face, hasn't he? Yeah. This is at Weston Favell Shopping Centre in Northampton.
Please insert a coin. There's James.
Number 1.
There's Edward and Thomas. And the Hit Entertainment logo. Let me see what I can fit in here. I can fit in here.
Wow. The challenge has been achieved.
Entertainment PLC. Let's get the promo of this. And the Jolly Roger logo. Thomas and Friends Game Thomas Limited 2006. It's the last one. It's the last ride of the day. Please insert a coin.
And do you have a coin?
I'm waiting for the track mode.
Oh.
This ride is manufactured by Jolly Roger and Recent Nerds Limited. There's James and Gordon. Can't hear the track mode. It's taking quite a while, but we can have a go. Why not have a go? This is the video option Thomas and Friends ride by Jolly Roger. Oh, a track mode!
Yes!
We got it, finally!
Fantastic!
I'll choose this one. That made us jump, didn't it?
It made you jump in the air.
It made us jump.
Did it? It made you jump. Let's look at the video. What's it doing?
It has a really loud buzzing sound. There's the video screen. There's Thomas. I like the creation of this that I did.
Yeah.
Thomas going very fast. Look at his cool face. Thomas can't let him down.
Oh no.
That's the back of it. Can you get the back of it? There's the back controller. Looks like he's got a medal. There's the safety message. Look, trains and train tracks can be dangerous places. Stay safe, and it's very important. Please come back and have another ride soon. And that is the video option Thomas the Tank Engine Kiddie ride by Jolly Roger, sited at Weston Favell Shopping Centre in Northampton. Thank you for riding with us, Thomas.
Goodbye.